Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy and send USDT on Kraken Pro. To buy and send USDT on Kraken Pro, you first deposit funds. So I'm gonna hit deposit here in my screen, right? And select your asset. In my case, Tether USD or USDT. And select your network, say Ethereum. An address will be generated. Use this address to send USDT to Kraken. Okay, once you deposit some funds, right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the trade section. So to place a market or limit order for USDT. So let me search for a trading pair right here. USDT and USD. Inside, what you're gonna do, you're gonna buy or sell. Okay, please be aware this is not financial advice, so whatever I do here, do not do the same. So let's say I'm buying or opening up a position. You can select limit or market order. Okay, limit means you're gonna just buy at a certain price. Okay, let's say you want to buy at 1.41 USDT. Okay, this means that you're expecting the price will go up. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit buy USDT, and basically that's it. You're gonna execute the order, and you're gonna see it here in the orders section where you're gonna see an open position. All right, so yeah. And if you want to send USDT on Kraken Pro, go back, right, and hit withdraw, and use Tether USDT to withdraw some funds, and select a network, let's say Optus. And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to your external wallet and generate an address, right? Like let's say I'm going to use Phantom Wallet, just an example. You can use your own wallet like Exodus, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, whatever, right? And do the same steps. You're gonna just hit receive on your screen here, and you're gonna select instead of Solana, if you have USDT available on Phantom Wallet, then just go ahead and press it. An address will be ready for you, and use that address to copy it and paste it here in the withdrawal address, and add a special nickname if you regularly use Phantom or Exodus or MetaMask to withdraw funds from Kraken to your external wallet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always double check addresses and networks. So see you in the next one.